In this video, I'll show you how to make an workflow with system.io. So all you need to do is to go to system.io. If you don't know what is system.io, is a platform, all-in-one platform with different things like email marketing. You can do blogs, you can do courses, subscription website, everything. So this tutorial we talk about how to make a workflow for email marketing in system.io. All you need to do is to log in system.io and go to automation and press workflows. When you are here, just press create and give a name to your workflow. Let's say test. I press save, and now you can see here I can click on test and make your first trigger. So what I want is to make a workflow for people which want subscribe to a landing page. Let's see if we have a landing page already. Press create your first trigger, choose a trigger and press on funnel form subscriber. So if you have already a funnel here on landing page in system.io, you can choose this option. And yes, you can see we have some funnels. I choose just this one for example and press create. So here we have a funnel, we have a landing page. When people subscribe, leave the emails on that landing page, they automatically join in this workflow. What you can do is to press plus and select delay. And let's say after a few minutes, like 10 minutes, you see wait 10 minutes, we want to send an email to them. Action. Send email. Here you can create a new email. You can put the subject, test, save and edit email. So you can create an email. For example, welcome email. Okay, welcome to our newsletter. Now you need to press save. So when they subscribe to this funnel, after 10 minutes they receive welcome email. So after we choose delay, after a few days, like 3 days, we can send them another email. And here again you can create another email. So here you can give value, you can insert your affiliate links, whatever you want. You can see here, you can continue like that, how many steps you want. Like you can put one email every week to send them, okay, automatically. So when they join in your landing page, they receive emails every week. Now press exit. So all you need to do to activate is to, you can see here is inactive. You can go to these 3 dots and press activate. Confirm. And done. Now it's all set up. You can make money, you can do whatever you want. I hope you find useful this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.